Good morning, students. Our subject is Design of Concrete Structure 1. Our today's topic is Limit State of Collapse Flexure Rectangular Beam. In part 2 and part 3, we solve some numerical to calculate MU and load on a rectangular beam by using limit state method. In today's lecture, we are going to study about a calculation of maximum stresses and strain for rectangular beam type 3, that is calculation of maximum stresses and strain. Example number 7, that is a singly reinforced beam 230 wide, means B wide is 230 400 deep effective. For 400 deep effective means small t. Here 400 is small t is reinforced with 416 means 4 bar of diameter is 16 Okay, find the maximum stresses and strain in a steel and concrete. So we have to find here maximum stress and strain, steel and concrete both we have to find here. Okay, if the concrete beam is subjected to factored moment, here moment is given 16 kilonewton meter, 60 moment is given here. Okay, so take M20 and Fe415 HYSD bars. So here given data is B 230 FCK is 20 characteristic strength of concrete is 20, Fy the grade of steel is 415 MPa for steel, AST is given 4 bar of 16 diameter. So 4 bar of 16 means 4 into pi by 4 into d square, means 4 number is 4, pi by 4 into d square 16 square. So the area is 804.25 square. AST is 804.25 square and the effective depth is given here 400 So start to solving the example. First step is here calculation of actual depth of neutral axis. We have to find here XU. Formula to calculate XU is CU is equals to TU. Formula CU is 0.36 FCK XU into B is equals to TU formula is 0.87 Fy into AST. Okay, so we have to calculate here XU. So XU is equals to 0.87 Fy AST and this we divide here 0.36 FCK into B. So 0.87 Fy value is given 415, AST is we calculated 804.25 divided by 0.36, FCK is 20 and B is 230, width of the beam is 230. So XU here is 175.35, XU is 175.35 Now second we have to calculate here calculation of critical depth of neutral axis. So what we have to find here, XU max. For Fe415 XU max value is 0.48 D. Okay, so XU max is equals to 0.48 and D effective depth is already given 400 So 0.48 into 400, that is 192 So XU max is 192 and XU we find here 175.35. So XU is 175 and XU max is 192. So XU max is greater than XU. So the section is under reinforced section. We compared in third step XU and XU max. From this we decide that our section is balanced section, under reinforced section or over reinforced section. This depend on condition of XU and XU max. So XU is smaller than XU max. It is called as a under reinforced section. Okay. Now fourth step, calculation of maximum stresses steel. In this numerical we have to find maximum and minimum stresses in steel and concrete. So we have to calculate here maximum stresses in steel and maximum stresses in concrete. So mu is equals to tu into z. So the value of tu is 0.87 fy into ast, and z is d minus 0.42 xu. Okay, so z is a lever arm factor, the value is d minus 0.42 xu. And here in our example, mu is already given. So mu is 60 kilonewton meter. So 60 kilonewton meter means 60 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm square. So tu is 0.87, fy value is we have to find here. So here we have to find for fy maximum. So don't put fy value. And ast is 804.25, the value of d is 400, xu is 0.42, xu is 175.32. So fy value is here 262.76. It is called as we say equation number 1. Okay, so maximum stresses in steel is 262.76 Newton per mm square. Now second, maximum stresses in steel. So formula 0.87 into fy. So fy we find here 262.76. So 0.87 into 262.76, the value is 228.60 Newton per mm square. It is called as a maximum stresses in steel. Okay, now we have to calculate here maximum stresses in concrete, 0.45 fck. So now we have what we have to calculate here, stresses in concrete. So to calculate formula, the value is cu into z. mu is equals to cu into z. The cu value is 0.36 fck xu into b, and the value of z is d minus 0.42 xu. So mu value is already given. Moment is 60 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per mm. After that cu is 0.36 fck, and the value of xu is 175.35. B is 230. Bracket 400 is depth 0.42, and xu is 175.65. So fck is 12.66 Newton per mm square. So find stresses in concrete. The value is 0.45 fck. So fck is 12.66. So 0.45 into 12.66, the value is 5.7 Newton per mm square. So we find here maximum stresses in steel and maximum stresses in concrete. So stresses we have to find. Now we have to calculate here strain. We already find stresses in steel and stresses in concrete. Now we have to find strain in steel and concrete. So calculation of maximum strain in steel, and after that we find maximum stresses in concrete also. So maximum stresses in steel is E epsilon xu. Epsilon xu formula is 0.002 plus 0.87 fy into divided by es. Epsilon s. Modulus here is modulus of steel. So the value is 2 into 10 to the power 6. Epsilon su is 0.002, 0.87 into fy. The value of fy is 262.75. We already find here fy value is 262.76. Okay. So 262.76 divided by the ES means modulus of rigidity is 2 into 10 to the power 6. So epsilon xu is 0.0031. So calculation of maximum stresses in steel. Strain in steel is 0.0031. Okay. For steel, this is for steel, strain in steel. Now we have to calculate here maximum stresses in concrete, epsilon cu. We have to find here cu, epsilon cu. So xu divided by d minus xu is equals to epsilon cu divided by epsilon su. So XU we already calculate 175.35. D is 400 divided by D is 400. XU is 175.35 is equals to, we have to calculate here maximum strain in concrete. So maximum stresses in steel is 0.0031. So this multiply here 175.35 into 0.0031 divided by 400 minus 175.35. So the value of maximum strain in concrete is 0.0024. Okay, so here diagram is it is called as a steel maximum strain in steel. So the value is 0.0031. Okay, and we have to calculate here maximum strain in concrete. So XU, so from this diagram, by using this diagram we by using triangle we find here. So XU divided by D minus XU and epsilon Cu divided by XU. So from this triangle we find this. So in this numerical we calculated maximum stress in steel and concrete and maximum strain in steel and concrete. Okay, now we solve another type, calculation of area of steel. In this type we have to find area of steel. Okay, so how to calculate the area of steel? If area before we solving that example, in that example already AST is given. In this numerical we have to calculate AST. Okay, already given, then no problem, but if they ask to calculate, then how to calculate? We solve one example on it. So example number 8, calculation of area of steel required of RCC. So here we have to find AST, calculation of area of steel. So it is called as a AST, required for a section. Here section is given 200 into 450. So 200 is, it is called as a B, 200, and 450 is D. Effective to resist means, effective means small d is given. So 200 is B and 450 is small d, effective depth. So resist and ultimate bending moment is given here. Moment is 150 kilonewton meter. So it is called as a 150 Newton mm. Assume M30. Grade of concrete is M30 and Fy is 415. It is given here. Okay, so solution: B is 200 mm, FCK is 30 MPa, Mu is 150 kilonewton meter, means 150 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. D is 450, effective depth is given 450 mm. Fy is steel grade is 415. Now we solve numerical, calculation of maximum moment resistance. So we have to calculate here Mu max. How to calculate Mu max? For we already in part 1 we find and we solved Mu max formulas. Okay, so for Fy 415 the formula is 0.138 FCK B into D square. This formula is different for Fy 415 250 and Fe 500. So for Fy the formula 415 the formula is 0.138 FCK BD square. Okay, and for Fy 500 the formula is 0.133 FCK BD square. So for Fy, here grade of steel is given Fy 415. So for Fy 415 the formula is 0.138 FCK BD square. So 0.138 FCK here given is 30 M30. So M30, B is 200 and D is 450 square. So Mu maximum is 167.67 kilonewton meter, and mu is given here. Mu is 150 and mu max is 167.67 kilonewton meter, means 167.67 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Okay, so compare here XU and XU max. So here we not calculated XU and XU max, so we compare here mu and mu max. Okay, in this numerical we compare mu and mu max. So mu is given here 150, mu is 150 and mu max we find here 167.67. So on this also you can consider our section is under reinforced section, balanced reinforced section or over reinforced section. Mu is smaller than mu max. Mu max is greater. So design section is under reinforced section. From this also you can consider section is over reinforced section or under reinforced section by using mu and mu max. Okay, why we are not using here XU and XU max? Because to calculate XU and XU max it required AST. We didn't having AST, so we have to find AST in this example. So for that we compare mu and mu max. Okay, now calculation of area of steel AST. So here we calculated AST. AST is formula. In all example to calculate AST the formula is same. So in mind keep this formula. The formula is 0.5 FCK divided by Fy. 0.5 FCK divided by Sy under root of 1 minus in bracket 1 minus under root of 1 minus 4.6 mu divided by FCK BD square into bracket close into B into D. Okay, so calculate AST 0.5 FCK is 30, Fy is 415 under bracket 1 minus under root of 1 minus 4.6 mu is 150 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 30, FCK is 30, B is 200 and D is 450. Bracket close into B into D. B is 200 and D is 450. So on calci how to solve these? Starting firstly calculate 4.6 into 150 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 30 into 200 into 450 square. Solve firstly these. From this answer 1 minus. Okay, after that in under root put here 1 minus. Okay, so we got here answer. After that multiplied B into D 200 into 450. After that multiply this 0.5 into 30 into 415. So we got this answer. AST is 1114.67 m square. Okay, so on calci also this example how to solve, because every time all so answer is different. So solve by using this method. Firstly solve under root bracket, after that multiplied this and after that solve this. Okay, so you got correct answer. AST is 1114.67 mm square. Okay, now we take another example, example number 9. Find limiting moment of resistance. Find limiting moment of resistance means we have to find here mu. Okay, limiting moment. Also we call this mu max. Okay, find the limiting moment resistance mu max and the area of steel for a beam 300 into 600 mm effective. Effective means B is 300 and small d is 600 mm. M20 and Fe415 means in this example given data is B is 300 mm, FCK is 20, D is 600 and Fy is 415. So here how we find our section is under reinforced, over reinforced? For that, firstly we calculate here limiting moment resistance. Calculation of limiting moment resistance, it is also called as a mu max. Okay, so to calculate mu max for Fy 415, formula is 0.138 FCK BD square. This formula is for uh, steel grade is Fe415. For this the formula is 0.138 FCK BD square. So mu max, the formula is 0.138, FCK is 20, B is 300 and D is 600. So mu max is 298.08 kilonewton meter or 298.08 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Okay. So second step here, calculation of area of steel, AST. So we have to calculate here AST. The formula is 0.5 FCK divided by Fy under bracket 1 minus under root of 1 minus 4.6 mu divided by FCK BD square, bracket close, into B into D. So AST, to calculate AST, for value we put here 0.5, FCK is 20, Fy is 415, in bracket 1 minus under root of 1 minus 4.6, mu is 298.08 10 to the power 6 divided by FCK is 20, the B is 300 and D is 600 square into 300 into 600. So firstly solve this under root value, after that 1 minus under root, and then multiplied 300 into 600, and after that solve these 0.5 into 200 into 400, multiply this. So you got this answer 1716.21 mm square. So here we calculate AST. Okay, so in today's lecture we solved examples by using to calculate AST and to calculate strain in concrete and strain in steel, and stresses in concrete and stresses in steel. Okay, so anyone having doubt in today's lecture, you can put your question in chat box. Okay, thank you.